What if I told you that a single digital coin worth less than 1 cent turned into over $60,000? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the top 10 most popular cryptocurrencies in the entire world. We are going to cover where each one started, where it is today, and why it became so powerful. Whether you are a total beginner or someone who already knows a little about crypto, this video is going to blow your mind. So grab a seat because we're starting right now. Number 10. Tron, TRX. Kicking off our list at number 10, Tron, also known as TRX. Tron was founded by Justin Sun in 2017, and it launched with an ICO price of around $0.0015 per token. That is less than 1/5 of a single penny. So what is Tron? Think of it as a blockchain built specifically for entertainment and digital content. The idea was simple. Cut out the middleman like YouTube or Spotify and let creators earn directly from their audience. Today, in 2026, TRX trades at around $0.32. That means early investors saw their money grow by more than 200 times. Tron has also become one of the most used blockchains in the world for stablecoin transactions, with over 86 billion USDT flowing through its network. That is not a small number. If you want fast and cheap transactions, Tron delivers. Number 9. Cardano, or ADA. At number 9, we have Cardano, or ADA. Cardano was created by Charles Hoskinson, one of the original co-founders of Ethereum. It launched in 2017 with an ICO price of just $0.0024. What makes Cardano special is its obsession with research. Every single feature of Cardano goes through peer-reviewed academic research before being added. It's one of the few blockchains built like science, not like a startup rush. Cardano uses a system called proof of stake, which means it uses dramatically less energy than Bitcoin. It supports smart contracts and decentralized apps. Today, ADA trades at around $0.17 to $0.18. While that's below its all-time high of over $3 in 2021, the project continues to grow and build. Cardano is the slow and steady player, and in crypto, steady often wins. Now we're getting to the fun one. Number 8, Dogecoin. Yes, the meme coin. Dogecoin was created in December 2013 as a joke, literally a joke. Software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made it in just a few hours using the famous Shiba Inu meme. The launch price? Practically zero, around $0.0002. But here's the crazy part. In May 2021, Dogecoin hit $0.74. That's a gain of over 300,000%. Today, in 2026, Doge trades in the range of $0.083 to $0.095, roughly around 8 to 9 cents depending on the day. The reason Dogecoin exploded in popularity comes down to one name: Elon Musk. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO repeatedly tweeted about Dogecoin, called it his favorite crypto, and even accepted it as payment on certain platforms. Dogecoin also has one of the most active and passionate communities in all of crypto. It's fast, it's cheap to send, and people love it. Never underestimate the power of a good meme and a passionate fan base. Number 7. USD Coin, also known as USDC. Now, USDC is what is called a stablecoin. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum that go up and down wildly, USDC is always worth exactly $1. Always. That is its entire purpose. USDC was launched in 2018 by Circle and Coinbase, and it was born at exactly $1, and it almost always stays right there. Now, to be precise, stablecoins like USDC can occasionally drift a tiny fraction, like 0.999 or 1.001, but that is so minor it barely registers. For all practical purposes, 1 USDC equals $1. So why is it in the top 10? Because in a market known for crazy volatility, USDC is the safe harbor. Traders move their money into USDC when they want to lock in profits without actually leaving the crypto world. It's also widely used in international payments, DeFi platforms, and sending money across borders instantly without needing a bank. Today, in 2026, USDC holds steady at approximately $1. That stability is the whole point. Number 6. Solana, SOL. And this one is a rocket ship story. Solana launched in March 2020 with a starting price of around $0.77. Today, in 2026, SOL is trading at around $67 to $71. That's nearly a 100x return from its launch price. But here's what makes Solana truly special: speed. Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second. To put that in perspective, Bitcoin handles around 7 transactions per second. Ethereum handles around 30. Solana handles 65,000. It's also extremely cheap to use. A transaction on Solana costs a fraction of a cent, while Ethereum can cost several dollars or more. This speed and low cost made Solana the go-to blockchain for NFTs, gaming apps, and DeFi in recent years. In fact, over 32 million crypto tokens have been launched on the Solana network alone. The critics call it centralized, the fans call it the future. Either way, the numbers speak for themselves. Number 5. XRP, the crypto of Ripple. XRP launched in 2013 with a price of around $0.005, yes, half a cent. Today, in June 2026, XRP is trading at around $1.14, which means it has grown over 200 times since launch. Now, XRP is different from most cryptocurrencies. It was specifically built to solve one problem: international bank transfers. Right now, when a bank in America sends money to a bank in Japan, it goes through a slow and expensive system called SWIFT. It can take 3 to 5 days and cost high fees. XRP can do the same transfer in 3 to 5 seconds at almost zero cost. Ripple has already partnered with hundreds of banks and financial institutions worldwide. Its goal is not to replace banks, it's to work with them. XRP also survived a massive legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and came out stronger on the other side. If traditional finance and crypto are going to merge, XRP might be the bridge.
At number 4, BNB, the Binance Coin. BNB launched in 2017 during Binance's ICO at a price of just $0.10, 10 cents. Today, in 2026, BNB trades anywhere between $566 and $615. Let us call it roughly $590 on an average day. That is still a jaw-dropping 6,000x return for early believers. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. BNB is its native token, and it is deeply woven into everything Binance does. When you pay trading fees on Binance using BNB, you get a discount. When you participate in token sales on Binance Launchpad, you use BNB. When you use the BNB chain, the blockchain Binance built, you pay fees in BNB. BNB is also used to burn tokens regularly. Binance destroys a portion of BNB every quarter, reducing supply and helping maintain value. In the world of crypto exchanges, Binance rules, and BNB benefits from that dominance. Number 3. Tether, or USDT. Just like USDC, Tether is a stablecoin. It launched in 2014, designed to stay pegged to $1, and it holds remarkably close, typically between 0.999 and 1.00 at any given moment. But here's what separates Tether from everything else. It's the most traded cryptocurrency on the planet. Every single day,
billions of dollars worth of USDT changes hands. On some days, USDT trading volume actually exceeds Bitcoin's volume. USDT is the lubricant of the crypto market. When Bitcoin rises, traders sell and hold USDT. When prices drop, they buy back in using USDT. It's the universal currency of crypto trading. Tether also has over 86 billion USDT on the Tron network alone, and massive amounts on Ethereum and other blockchains. Not everyone talks about Tether, but nearly everyone in crypto uses it every single day. Number 2. Ethereum, the engine behind almost everything in crypto. Ethereum launched in July 2015 at a price of just $0.31 per coin. Today, in 2026, ETH trades in the range of $1,630 to $1,665. That's a gain of over 5,000 times for early investors. But the real story of Ethereum isn't just its price, it's what it built. Ethereum introduced something called smart contracts. These are programs that run automatically on the blockchain without any human or company controlling them. Think of a vending machine. You put money in, you get your item. No cashier needed. Smart contracts work the same way, but for any kind of agreement. This technology gave birth to DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, digital ownership, thousands of apps running on the blockchain. More than 3,000 decentralized applications run on Ethereum today. Most of the crypto world, the tokens, the protocols, the applications, was built on Ethereum. Ethereum also transitioned from energy-heavy mining to a system called proof of stake, which reduced its energy use by over 99%. Bitcoin may be the king, but Ethereum is the kingdom. And finally, the undisputed king of all crypto. Number 1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created by a mysterious person or group known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. In October 2009, the very first recorded price of Bitcoin was just $0.001. You could buy over 1,000 Bitcoins for a single dollar. Today, in 2026, Bitcoin trades in a range of around $61,000 to $65,000, swinging up and down with daily market sentiment. At the time of this video, it sits at approximately $64,000. Let that sink in. From $0.001 to $64,000, that is a gain of more than 64 million times. Bitcoin's all-time high was reached in October 2025, briefly hitting over $126,000. So what is Bitcoin? It is the world's first decentralized digital currency. No government controls it, no bank controls it, no company controls it. It runs on a network of thousands of computers worldwide. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, ever. That scarcity, like digital gold, is a major reason it holds value. Today, Bitcoin is held by governments, corporations, hedge funds, and hundreds of millions of regular people. Companies like MicroStrategy hold billions of dollars worth of it. The U.S. government has a Bitcoin reserve. Bitcoin ETFs are now traded on major stock exchanges. Bitcoin controls over 57% of the entire crypto market cap. In a market worth nearly $3 trillion, Bitcoin is the foundation. It started as an experiment. It became a movement. And today, it is a global financial asset. So there you have it, the top 10 most popular cryptocurrencies in the world in 2026. From Bitcoin's legendary rise to the meme magic of Dogecoin to the engineering power of Ethereum and Solana, every single coin on this list has a story worth knowing. Now, here is what I want you to remember. Crypto is exciting, but it's also risky. Prices go up, prices go down. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you want to learn more about crypto, finance, and building wealth, Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Drop in the comments below which cryptocurrency surprised you the most. I read every single comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a professional before making investment decisions.